Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this content, hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience. Today, we're exploring SECV.com. While the website itself provides little information beyond a bare-bones landing page, it points to a fascinating intersection of security, cryptocurrencies, and venture capital. SECV appears to stand for Security and Exchange Commission Ventures. This suggests a focus on ventures operating within the regulatory framework established by the SEC, likely concentrating on compliant digital assets and blockchain technology. The lack of detailed content on the website itself could indicate several things. It's possible the project is still in its early stages of development. Alternatively, they may be operating in a more private or exclusive manner, perhaps catering to a specific clientele. The minimalist presentation might also be a deliberate choice, prioritizing direct engagement over public-facing information. One could speculate that SECV functions as a bridge between innovative blockchain projects and the regulatory landscape they need to navigate. This is a crucial area in the current crypto climate, as regulatory clarity and compliance become increasingly important for attracting institutional investment and achieving mainstream adoption. The domain name itself, being short and memorable, is a valuable asset, lending further credence to the seriousness of the venture. Further research is required to understand the full scope of SECV's operations. This could involve searching for related news articles, press releases, social media mentions, or exploring databases of registered businesses. It will be interesting to see how this project develops and the impact it might have on the intersection of security, cryptocurrency, and venture capital. Keep an eye on this space, as regulatory clarity and compliance become ever more pivotal in the evolving world of digital finance. This simple website could represent the beginning of a significant player in the regulated crypto space.